Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, information, and fun, fun, fun. We're journeying over to Ireland to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And this has been a treat for so many for so long that Sheri-Funtastic Travels and Resorts Limited knew we just had to become a part of this big St. Patrick's Day celebration. So you need to touch base with us. Give us a call just now, 347-757-6728, or in Jamaica, 877-345-1437. This is a great opportunity to see Ireland through the eyes of the locals. You know, our preferred partners, Brendan Vacations, as well as Collet, Classic Vacations, and the Globus family of brands all offer special deals and steals in time for St. Patrick's Day. So give us a call. But just before you do that, take a look at these images from St. Patrick's Day celebrations in the past, and this will enable you to make a speedy decision. Remember to share, like, and subscribe to the Sheri-Fun channel for more updates on all that has to do with travel. Ciao for now.
He must be one of the most famous national patron saints in the world, celebrated just about everywhere at this time of year when some of the most iconic sites on the planet go green. But there is nowhere where the commemoration of St. Patrick is more meaningful than here in the city of Armagh, where he built his first stone church. From this city, all along the St. Patrick's Way pilgrimage trail to Saul and Downpatrick, there are so many sites connected to his life and work. In the cathedral that bears his name, we present an evening of music and entertainment to celebrate St. Patrick.
I think you could say that Armagh embodies the heritage of St. Patrick. And it's a wonderful place to spend a day, to spend 2 days, to walk around, to breathe the atmosphere.
Well, it's a tremendous honour for me to be Archbishop of Armagh. When I was growing up, I always knew how special this place was. So for me to be in this great cathedral and to realise that I'm following in the footsteps of St. Patrick, it's very special indeed.
A cathedral like this presents an amazing challenge for any musician. It's built for sound to resonate. Some of the music you will hear is designed for this acoustic. It rings and it sings and it becomes part of the fabric of the very structure itself. This is quite a unique sense of where the saint actually preached, where his first church was, where his grave is. You can't do that anywhere else in the world. And we would love the choirs to come and see what we do with St. Patrick's Day here in Ireland. I think it's going to be a special concert tonight because we're in a special place.